How to link your Etsy shop on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up your Etsy account on Pinterest. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sign up on both of these websites. So we have our Etsy shop over here. Let's go ahead and sign in or sign up. We're going to click on over here on the sign in option, and over here we can go ahead and sign in using our email address or continuing with Google. Same if we want to register, we just simply click on the register button and we can continue with Google as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue with Google, and there we go. We are now logged in and signed up onto Etsy. So we are good to go. We can also, verify it, but since we already signed up with Google, I don't think we need to. So now that we are ready with our Etsy, let's go ahead and take a look at Pinterest. So on Pinterest over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. Let's go ahead and sign up onto Pinterest as well. Over here, as you can see, we can continue with our email address or our, Google account or Facebook account. It depends on you. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. All right, next, once you're done, you just simply enter in the information that they ask you, like your age. So I'll just input 23, click on next. Next, you just again fill out some of these answers that they ask you. Fill out again some of these questions that they ask you. So what is your gender? We'll just say male. And what language and where do you live? So I'll just keep it like that, English and US. And what are you interested in? Over here you just simply enter in what you want. So I'll just select memes and cars and cars again. We'll just select luxury cars, just simple stuff like these to just fill out our feed, and we should be good to go. Next, just simply click on meet your home feed and your Pinterest account is all set up. So as you can see, as you can use Pinterest, you can find whatever you want. So boom, there we go. We are now ready and we are good to go. Now we can go ahead and set up our Etsy shop. So to fill out your Etsy shop, make sure that you are logged in over here with the same email account that you're using on Etsy and on Pinterest, so that you don't get confused. And once you've done that, we are good to go. Next, just simply go to settings over here. It's going to take you over here onto the settings section over here. Then what you want to do is on the left hand side, come over here down to claimed accounts. All right, we're going to click on claim accounts. And over here, we can claim different accounts right here. And over here, you can claim your website. But before we do that, we want to go ahead and go into account management. And over here, we want to go ahead and convert our account to business account. And over here, we can go ahead and convert our account to a free business account, right? So we just simply click on upgrade. Then we want to build our profile over here. So we want to enter in our, profile name or business or brand name, and do you have a website or not, and select where your country and region are. Next, you are good to go. So I'm going to choose ZZ's, and I don't have a website right now, and I'll click on next. And what's the focus on your brand? We can select over here. We can select one. So it could be home, travel, food, or drink, or DIY and craft, or whatever. So we'll just say education for now. And what are your goals? Pick up to 3, right? So you can sell more products, generate more leads with your business, drive traffic to your site. I mean, I don't even have a website. So create content on Pinterest to grow an audience and grow brand awareness, and not sure yet. So we'll just choose these two, and we'll just select this third one and click on next. Describe your business. I am not sure. I'm a blogger, consumer, contractor, or whatever you want. So we'll just select publisher or media, and we'll click on next. And would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? Yes, I would be, sure. And click on next. Then they will ask you where would you like to start, but you can go ahead and select what you want. But over here, you can create a pin, create an ad, or build your profile. So we'll just choose that one, or you can even, close this up if you want to. And there you go. We are now good to go. We are now ready. Next, what we want to do is want to go over here onto the left hand side and click on claimed accounts, and down below we will have a bunch of different accounts. So for me, because I live in outside the US, I don't have a lot of options. Yep, I don't have the option, but if you did, you would see an Etsy, just like you see Shopify right here. You would see an Etsy account right here, and you would have other accounts that you could go ahead and connect to, just like this one. So in order to claim it or install it, whatever you want to call it, just simply click on the button. I'll show you a demo right here. And then over here onto the Shopify store, you'll have the add application button. So same thing that you would do with your Etsy account, you would just simply find it right here. You could simply install Etsy with it, just like you would with Shopify. Same thing. You'll just have Etsy like here written like Shopify, and you just simply click on claim button or install application, and you would be good to go. And if it works, you would find it right here. If you go into your account settings, let's see, go into account settings and scroll down to the very bottom, and you will see apps. You click on apps, and over here in apps, you will see all the third-party apps that you've granted access to. But currently, as you can see, I can't access it because, of course, it doesn't work. But yeah, you just simply click on add app and you should be good to go. Let's go ahead and try it with Shopify, for example. You could do the exact same thing with Etsy. So after you've chosen the account, okay, it says this app isn't compatible with your store, which is weird, but I guess we can't. But we can also claim our website as well. So we just simply click on claim, and we can add the HTML tag. We just simply copy paste it over here, or we can upload the HTML file over here, or we can add the TXT records within our domain. So they're already easy to do. Then you're good to go. So once that's done, you should have your website claimed, your Etsy shop claimed, Shopify claimed, and other applications that are available to you within your specific region. So in my opinion, I think that people in Australia, in the UK, and in the US can access, the Pinterest account for their Etsy account, and they can connect it. Otherwise, people outside the US or, UK, you would not have these options. I mean, even I just have Shopify, even though I have the business account. If I disabled my business account, I'd only have the website option. So it depends on you and where you're located. And also, VPN doesn't work. I tried with VPN, I tried Surfshark, and it didn't work. I tried NordVPN, it didn't work. So make sure that your location is set.
So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.